Hi, how are you? I hope you are all doing fine today. You can see here a nice paper, and there are some writings here. You can see the Tasman Sea in this side and Pacific Ocean here. New Zealand, so it's the map of the New Zealand. I'm going to draw the outlines in the beginning. So border outlines, just making it clearer. So previously I just draw it with the pencil very roughly. So the thing is that the map of a country, it doesn't usually change, so it remains the same over the hundreds of years. So if you are a geography student, so you need to learn the map drawing, then you have to memorize it. So you can do it by drawing and practicing several times. Then the more time you draw, the more time the drawing is going to be perfect. So now I'm going to put the colors inside. Okay, so I'm using the acrylics or the crayons here. You can see. Okay, so let's see after the crayons, the border drawings is going to be visually clear inside, because the surrounding areas are white, so inside it's like a little bit bright deep color. Okay, it's very soft actually, not that much harder color. All right. Okay, so you can see the two big islands here and a smaller one. So this is the actual map of New Zealand, and very easy actually. It's a neighboring country of the Australia. So the most south part of the earth, so maybe it's the last end of the known world. So around it you can see here the ocean, the water body. So that's why it's the Pacific Ocean you can see here, and Tasman Sea here. So there's no land border around it, so it's just a water body. I hope you like the video. Do practice at home, and the drawing is going to be very nice. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.